Welcome to Walk on Dancehall with Lex, giving you the best out of the best and the real out of the real, and today we're doing it a bit different. Khago has officially reached #1 on the Amazon charts for bestsellers, and his latest album, Walk a Mile, has also reached #5 on the Billboard charts as well. Here's a clip of his latest video, Walk a Mile.
Just walk a mile in my shoes, yeah, and understand what me I feel. Walk a mile in my shoes, yeah, and you will see so the pain, right? And all who feels it knows it, yeah. That struggle, yeah, me never chose it, yeah.
Spice has officially been added to the cast of Love and Hip Hop Atlanta this season. Spice did also give us a couple of clues when she had posted up a video of her and Tommy on a set for a new video soon to be released. Here's a clip of her and some of the cast members from Love and Hip Hop Atlanta.
Who is this thing right here? Booyah! Mimi ain't paying me no attention. Oh, there you go. There you are, girl. Turn up, May.
Mr. Vegas was recently awarded the Caribbean Artist of the Year by Harvard's very own Caribbean Cultural Board. Jada Kingdom will be featured on an onstage interview. The upcoming artist has been taking the industry by storm. Here's a clip of one of her latest songs.
Heartbroken, now you're feeling stuck. Beat you up, love, beat you up. Build you on so high, nobody can jump it. Beat you up, love, beat you up. And I'm so grateful for your trust. Beat you up, I won't let them hurt you anymore, my love. Unwanted, them do it all.
But that is it for Walk on Dancehall. Tune in next week for more dancehall entertainment.